good morning, students. So welcome back. This is class for 3rd standard, chapter number 2, fractions. We continue our exercise 2C, that word problems, means application based questions. So we continue the question by question number 8. So question number 8. Vikas can cover a distance of 22 by 3 kilometer in 73 by 4 hours. Vikas cover total distance 22 by 3 kilometer in 73 by 4 hours on foot. How many kilometer per hour does he walk? Very simple questions. So if Vikas cover 22 by 3 kilometer in 73 by 4 hours, so how much distance he cover in 1 hour? How many kilometer per hour does he walk? Means how much distance he cover in 1 hour. So distance covered by Vikas in 73 by 4 hours is equal to 22 by 3 kilometer. Then distance. Now we find distance. How much distance he travel in 1 kilometer? Distance covered by him in 1 hour. So what to do? Total distance 22 by 3 is divided by 73 by 4. 22 by 3 means 20 into 3, 60, 60 plus 2, 62 by 3, divide 7 4 28, 20 plus 3, 29, 30, 31 by 4. 62 by 3 divides and change into multiplication 4 by 31. 31 to 31, 31 to the 62. Then 2 4 the 8, 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Now 8 by 3 you change into this number change into mixed fraction. So 8 divided by 3. 3 to the 6, 2. So 2 by 3 kilometer. Means distance covered by him in 1 hour is 2 by 3 kilometer. Means Vikas covered in 1 hour, how much distance he covered? 2 by 3 kilometer. So you write down, hence two by 3 kilometer distance 2 by 3 kilometer distance covered by Vikas in 1 hour. Okay, let's copy this one. Very simple question. Okay. Okay, so now next question is question number 9. Priti brought 1 by 2 kg of sugar for rupees 242 1 by 4. Find the sugar per kg. Means Priti bought 1 by 2 kg total kg. This weight of this sugar 1 by 2 kg of sugar for rupees 242. Find the sugar per kg. Very simple. Cost of 1 by 2 kg of sugar, cost of 8 1 by 2 kg of sugar is equal to rupees 242 1 by 4 is given. Rupees 242 1 by 4. So then cost of 1 kg of sugar. Cost of 1 kg of sugar. So what do you do? 242 1 by 4 divide 8 1 by 2. Mixed fractions changing to improper fractions. So 242 is multiplied by 4, 4 to the 8, 4 plus 16, 1, 4 to the 8, 968 plus 1, 969 by 4 divide 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17 by 2. Now 969 by 4 divide and change into multiplication 2 by 17. Okay, so 2 to the 4 and 9 6 9 divide by 17. Okay, 9 is 9, we divide by 17. So 17 to 17. Yes. 2 7 to 14. 1 2 to 1 to 2. 34. Try 96. 4 4 is 28. 2 4 in the 4 5 6. 17. 5 ja 5 7 ja 35. 3 5 into 5. 6 7 8 85. Okay. So 17 5 ja 85. 9 minus 6 minus 5 1. 9 minus 8 1. 190. Again we move out. 17. 8 ja 8 7 to 56. 5. 8 into 8 plus 5. 2. 5 for 30. 136. Bigger number. So 17 7 you try. 7 49. 4. 7 plus 4. 190. 7 ja 190. So 5 7. 57 by 2. Now 57 by 2 will change into mixed fraction. This mixed fraction change into improper fraction change into mixed fraction. So 57 divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4 1 17. 2 8 ja 16 1. So 28 is 1 up, this 2. So hence cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 28 1 by 2. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, so the question number 10 now. If the cost of a notebook is rupees 27 3 by 4, if a notebook is 27 3 by 4, one notebook cost is 27 3 by 4, how many notebooks can be purchased for rupees 249 3 by 4? Okay. So I done first of all cost of one notebook is equal to rupees 27 3 by 4. How many notebooks can be purchased for rupees 249 3 by 4? So number of notebook notebooks can be purchased for rupees 249 3 by 4. Number of notebooks can be purchased for rupees 249 3 by 4. Okay. So 249 means how many number of notebooks? How many number of notebooks can be purchased for rupees 249 3 by 4? Okay. So number of notebooks we find out. So 249 3 by 4. Divide by 27 3 by 4. Okay, means if one notebook cost is 27 3 by 4, so now we find out in a 249 3 by 4 rupees 249 3 by 4 how many numbers of notebooks we can purchase. Okay, 249 3 by 4 divided by 27 3 by 4. So this fraction change into improper fraction. 249 multiplied by 4, 4 9 is 36, 3, 4 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 4 to the 8, 9 9 6. 9 9 6 plus 3, 9 9 9. Triple 9 by 4. Okay, now divide sign. 27 3 by 4. 27 multiplied by 4. 4 7 is 28. 2. 4 to the 8. 9 10. 1 to 8. 108 by 108 plus 3. 9 10 11. 1 to 11 by 4. Now triple 9 by 4. Divide sign change into multiplication. And 4 is reciprocal. 4 by 111. 9 the 4 and the 4. So answer is 9. So hence 9 notebooks can be purchased for rupees 249 3 by 4. Okay. So how many notebooks are purchased by 249 3 by 4? 9 notebooks. So we move to the next question, question number 11. At a charity show, the price of each ticket was rupees 32 1 by 2. The total amount means a ticket price. A ticket price is 32 rupees 1 by 2. Total amount collection is rupees 877. Sorry, 807. Now we see the question number 11th. At a charity show, the price of each ticket was rupees 32 1 by 2. Means cost of one ticket. Cost of one ticket is equal to rupees 32 1 by 2. Then total amount collected by boy was rupees 877 1 by 2. Total amount collected by boy. How much amount collected by boy? How much amount we collected? Rupees 877 1 by 2. Rupees 877 1 by 2. Now we find that therefore number of tickets sold. Number of tickets sold 877 1 by 2 divide 32 1 by 2. 877 1 by 2. 32 1 by 2. Now again cross multiply. 2 7 the 40 means mixed fraction. Improper fraction change into mixed fraction. Improper fraction change into mixed fraction. 2 7 the 14. 2 7 the means 877. No. So 2 7 the 14 1. 2 7 the 1 14 plus 1 50. 2 is 16 plus 1 1754. 1754 plus 1 1755. Divide by 2. Sorry, by 2. Divide 32 to just 64 plus 1 65 by 2. Okay. Now 1755 divide by 2. Divide sign change into multiplication. 2 by 65. Now 2 is cut. See the cancel is possible or not? Cancellations 5 1 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 is 50. Then 5 3 is 525 3 is 15. 525 5 1 is 5. Now 351 divide by 13. Okay. 13 3 is 9, 39. 13 2 is 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 26. 13 2 is 26. 35 and 26. 5 minus 9. 9 and 1 91. 13 7 71 2 7 plus 2 9 791. So 27. So number of tickets sold is hence number of tickets sold is 27. How many number of tickets sold? 27 tickets are sold. Okay. Okay. So let's see the now question number 12. A group of students arrange a picnic. Each student contribute 261 1 by 2. So this each student contribute 261 1 by 2. And the total contribution A was 2876 1 by 2. How many students, total how many students are there in the group? Okay. So first of all, each student contributed, how much contributed? Rupees 261 1 by 2. Then the total contribution was 2876 1 by 2. So total contribution is equal to rupees 2876 1 by 2. Now we find the number of students. Number of students in the group. So this amount divided by this amount. 2876, sorry. 2876 1 by 2 divides 261 1 by 2. Mixed fraction change into improper fraction. So 2876 multiply by 2, so this is the 12 1, 2 7 the 14, 2 14 1 15, 2 16 1 17, 2 to the 4 5, 5 7 5 2 plus 1 5 7 5 3 by 2. Divide sign 261 1 by 2, 2 to 1 is 2, 261 1 by 2. 2 2 1 the 2, 2 6 the 12, 1 2 to the 4, 5. 522 plus 1, 523 by 2. Now 5753 by 2, divide sign change into multiplication and 2 by reciprocal 2 5 2 3. So 2 2 is cut. So 5 7 5 3. 5 7 5 3 divided by 523. 5753 divided by 523. Divided by 523. 1 the 523. 5 minus 3 2. 7 minus 5 5. 7 minus 2 5. There is 0. Then 3 is come. So again 5 2 3 1 the 5 2 3. So answer is 11. 11. 11. Hence, there are 11 students in the group. How many students are in the group? There are 11 students in the group. Okay? And copy this one. Okay. So, solve the question of 15 now. The product of two numbers is 15 5 by 6. If one of the number is 6 1 by 3, find the other. So question number 15, solution. The product of two numbers is equal to 15 5 by 6. Then one number is equal to given 6 1 by 3. Find the other. So the required number is equal to 15 5 by 6 is divided 6 1 by 3. 15 5 by 6 divided 1 6 1 by 3. 15 to 6 is 30. 3 90. 15 to 6 multiply 30 3 6 90. 90 plus 5 95 by 6 divide 6 1 by 3. 3 is the 18. 18 plus 1 19 by 3. Okay. So 95 6 divide sign change into multiplication 3 by 19. So 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6. 19 5 ja. See 19 5 ja 5 9 ja 45 4. Yes. 19 5 ja 95 5. 5 by 2 is equal to 2. 5 by 2 is an improper fraction change into mixed fraction. So 2 1 by 2. Hence, the other number is 2 1 by 2. You write down the other number. Okay, the other number. The other number. Okay. And the other number is 2 1 by 2. Now see the question number 17. By what number should 6 2 by 9 be divided to obtain 4 2 by 3? So here write the required number is equal to 6 2 by 9 divide 4 2 by 3. 6 9 36 equal to 48, so 54. 6 9 54 plus 2, 55, 56. Mixed number change into improper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction change into improper fraction. 56 by 9. Divide sign change into, divide is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 13 14. 14 by 3. 56 by 9. Divide sign change into multiplication. Okay, so 56 by 9. 3 on the 3, 3 is 9. Then 14. 14 2 4 the 4. 4 versus 16, 1 for the 56. 14 for the 56. The answer is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1 by 3. Okay. Mix imperfection change into mixed fraction. Okay. So now, hence, the required number is 1 by 3.